Howdy all, it's me, your Snackhead Cowboy here, back with another video. I thought I'd give you like a POV of what it's like to be the snackhead. So I've just been out for a few little bevs, and it's Thursday, which means I've got work tomorrow. Hold on, someone's calling me. So that means, I need something to eat. I need something to eat basically, just to like line the stomach for tomorrow, so I'm not too rough. So I've come home and I thought ahead and I thought, what did I have for tea? Well, here it is. Let me show you what I had for tea. So yeah, basically I had some chicken nuggets, some potato croquettes and some beans. We got the bread. I buttered the bread. And this is going on here, basically. So yeah, this is me assembling the sandwich. Here we go. You want to spread the beans out. That's going to act as your moisture. A little bit on this side too. Spread it out. Get the corners. That's your sauce. That's the moisture. We're going a couple of nuggets in each corner. Couple of croquettes, one in the middle, pat it down. I was gonna put sauce on it, but I don't think it needs it. I'm going diagonal, maybe? Yeah, fuck it, diagonal. There it is. There's the sandwich. So, let's give it a go. There it is, it's looking good. Cheers. It tastes like what you would imagine yellow tastes like. This tastes like yellow to me. It's sweet. It's like one up from beige. It's vibrant, it's quite vibrant. The only bread we had was that 50-50 stuff. I would have preferred like straight white, flat white. Cheese and toasted, it's gonna take it to another level, but I haven't got time for that, it's pretty late. But it's banging. I know this is going to sort me out. When I wake up in the morning, I'm going to think, I'm so happy I made this. It's good. Yeah. Shout out to all the snackheads out there. The late night munchers. Respect. Thanks to everyone who comments and all that. Respect. I'm giving that a 4 out of 5. Sorry. As always, I've been your Snackhead Cowboy. Thanks for watching. Until next time.